Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to create a rounded rectangle in Photoshop and some other shapes. So let's get started and get into Photoshop right now. Open Photoshop. As you can see, this is an empty layer. Just click on it. Just click on the layer. Let's click here. You should, as you can see, this is the rectangle tool, as you can see. And you can also double click on it and click and hold like this, and then choose rounded rectangle. As you can see, you can have it like this, and as you can see here is its properties. You can here like increase its radius. Let's get enter. As you can see, its radius changed. And you can also have any other ways. You can, if you made the radius into 0, and it became a normal rectangle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.